How to update Bluetooth driver on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly right click on the Windows icon at your taskbar. After that, a list of applications will appear. From that list, you simply need to click on the option of Device Manager and a window of Device Manager application will appear on your screen. From that window, you simply need to search for the option of Bluetooth. Double click on it. Choose the Bluetooth device for your device. Right click on it and then you will see the option of update. Simply click on it and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.